You deliver the critical parts that keep every car on the road. But how do you ensure each component meets exact specs, at scale and in real time? Meet AIQ, Cognitive Vision-Based Quality Analysis for parts suppliers. It integrates smart vision systems with AI to automate inspections, ensure quality control and assurance, and drive continuous improvements without human fatigue or delay. So where does AIQ help? In raw material inspection. It detects casting cracks, wrinkles, dents, patch marks, particles of various sizes, glass distortions and distortions in the rear view mirrors, and more. In-process checkpoints. It verifies presence-absence quality check for parts in an assembly. Classification, categorization, and counting of assembled products. In just seconds, what's impossible to detect by human eye. With AIVisOps solutions, you gain
faster detection, fewer defects, predictive maintenance and reduced downtime, digital twin-backed visibility and decision-making, safer, smarter manufacturing. The future of automotive manufacturing is real-time, AI-powered, and virtually mapped.
With AIVisOps solutions, you're already there.